No two adventures are the same. Some adventures change your weekend. Some adventures change your month. Some adventures might change your mindset. But some adventures will change your entire life. An author that I love named Mark Batterson says, "A change of place plus a change of pace gives you a change of perspective." And on this beautiful fall Friday, that's exactly what Aaron and I were chasing. A new perspective. We found ourselves on roads that we had just driven 2 months earlier on our camping trip to the Shenandoah Valley, an adventure that we affectionately called Bunny Camp with our best friends in the entire world. We cruised these old roads and found ourselves back on this awesome Maryland highway, enjoying the views of fall colors and windmills on the ridge. It was a beautiful sight to behold. After around 6 hours of driving, we arrived at the doorstep of a mountain called Massanutten. We checked into our Airbnb in Inglewood that was registered on the National List of Historic Places. This road was called Peaceful Lane, and we stayed in what they called the Gray House. It was the perfect spot to rest, to relax, and to enjoy some peace and quiet. Okay. It said it was clearly marked where you can and can't go. I think that mountain there is that Sutton, which is right across from this house.
That's the one.
This spot was in the middle of a working farm. We were asked to stay close to the house and not venture out to see the animals. but it was still absolutely beautiful and inviting. And of course, it wouldn't be a trip to a beautiful place with beautiful views without a little bit of beautiful drone footage. After just a couple hours in the Shenandoah Valley, we were finding that change in perspective we were after. And the next morning, you know I had to capture the sunrise. It's hard to beat a sunrise like this one. Getting slowed down by the beautiful mountain of Massanutten. On this trip, we had some very important meetings we had to be at and some get-togethers with some folks, but we also had a really nice amount of downtime. And so we did one of our favorite things when we have downtime. We went out on a date and found an antique mall. It should be no surprise that our favorite room was the cast iron room. We loved seeing all the Griswold skillets, which I have a loose family connection to. I believe it is my great uncle that founded Griswold Skillet. And they also were made right in our current hometown of Erie, Pennsylvania for a number of years. We love to cook with cast iron, we love to collect cast iron, but mostly we love to just check out cast iron. And this was Whiskers, the CEO of the Antique Mall, keeping watch over everyone. After a whole bunch of that, we grabbed lunch with some new friends, and then they took us to the one and only Buc-ee's for our first experience with this gas station phenomena.
She actually told somebody else. Holy cow. Yeah. There's a lot of people walking to their vehicles, so I'm sure we go around in that.
We had no idea what we were in store for, but we knew Buc-ee's was all the rage. And so we headed in like kids on Christmas morning, and we were not disappointed.
That's actually a pulled pork and he's putting barbecue.
With a little more free time that afternoon, we made another fun stop at a local bookstore. We loved the aesthetic of this place. It was quaint, it was cute. And we especially loved another furry CEO keeping watch over the store just like Whiskers had been doing back at the Antique Mall. I could have sat and done this entire puzzle, but time was of the essence. And right across the street from this shop was an old gas station turned into a diner. We'll have to visit there next time. Harrisonburg, Virginia was checking all the boxes for vibes. It was just such a great and cute place to be. After all that adventuring and our various meetings and meals that we got to share with some great people, here's the deal. I'm a pastor. I've said that in previous videos, and for 8 years I've been working at a church in Erie, Pennsylvania. It has been absolutely awesome and a privilege and a dream come true in so many ways. But we have also felt for about a year that it was time to seek out what might be next for our family, for our ministry, and for my role as a pastor. And so in searching all that out, we've talked to 15 or 20 churches in the North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland area, and we found our next home. We found our next assignment. So we're super excited to say that this trip, seeking out a new perspective, has landed us in a new role and a new adventure. We're headed to Virginia. We'll be starting there January 1st, 2026, and we cannot wait.